going to prank each other. But before we prank each other, make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks. Enjoy the video, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Do you want to see my secret base?
Oh, yes.
Follow me.
I promise I won't tell anybody.
Yeah, don't tell anyone.
If I told anybody, what will happen?
I'm gonna curse you.
You're gonna rip me to pieces.
No. Get in there.
Are you going to rip me into pieces?
Go.
Ow.
Go. Read the sign. Stop the pressure plate. Stop the pressure plate. Hey, stop the pressure plate, yeah?
Do not step.
Yeah, because it's here.
Yes.
Hey, you step it. Read the
Get
sign.
out.
No. You're dead.
I am.
You are alive!
Yes.
What?
I survived it.
How many hearts do you even have?
Full.
What?
I have lost my heart. Now how do I escape?
Yeah,
Can somebody open the door for me?
Okay, I'll get some button. Coming. Hey, stop that. Don't break my door, pretty doorman. Hey, please. I'll get you out of there.
How do I enter?
See, I'll get you out of there. What? Yeah, I'll get you out of there. Wait. Wait.
Nice.
How many hearts do you actually?
Full. Do you like welcoming?
Yeah, I can see you from up there. Hello.
Hello.
What are you doing? Here, I'll get you out of here with these stones blocks. Hey! Why did you calm down?
Hey, please don't kill me.
Hey, don't! That's my friend, man.
Sorry, dude.
Okay, dude.
Oh, that's me. Well, I like it.
Come see my barn.
Yeah,
Haven't you seen the
I'll
animals?
make it peaceful.
Seen the animals first.
Because I'm getting hungry.
If you are getting hungry, come I'll make you some bread. What? Who's that?
Maybe you're ready.
Yeah.
Again?
What?
Again?
Where? From one side, right there.
Now.
If you go in one picture.
Can I have the label?
No.
I'll just eat some food.
There is one crop I have done. All these are seeds, man.
I got.
What did you do?
I'm getting hungry.
Bro,
I'm getting
bro, follow me. Bro, you gotta look at this crafting table.
Look at that zombie.
Where? Zamba. How about you want to?
Oh yeah. Why did you commit it? But I can still open it.
What?
Can you looking for me? We can. Let's see.
Yeah.
Ow. Please don't get me.
Oh, fine.
You can
Yeah.
kill me if you want.
No. I'm going to sleep. Yeah, listen, we keep all this from In the morning, we should feed the animals,
Yeah.
okay?
Oh, watch this.
Sleep.
Hey. And watch this. Look at me. Yeah.
Oh, you're a blank.
Yes,
So
I have a
cold.
Yes, I have a
Morning time.
Morning. Owie. Let's feed the animal.
Come here. Here, I'll give you some stuff.
Can you give TNTs?
I have 62, man. It's cool. See the chest.
What? What's in
Check
there?
the chest. The food. Here, you have some carrots. I'll feed the hens.
Okay. I'll have the carrot. I'll keep this back.
Follow me. Follow me. My barn is right here.
I just use it. There.
Yeah.
And one more thing, can I say?
What? Hello.
You glitch.
What? Didn't in
You start the backyard.
yeah, the
The
backyard.
backyard. Oh, hello, piggy. Piggy.
Go feed the piggies.
Should I go inside?
Yeah, you should go inside. If you let anyone escape, don't let them.
Come on.
There we go.
Look at them.
What?
Oh,
Yeah, they will make some babies now. Done.
what they give babies.
Come on, come on. Barn time over. How are you doing, crops? Nice. Come on, barn time over. Follow me. We'll play with some TNTs.
Yeah.
I'll just explode you in there. The pigs love you and me.
Maybe I fed the pigs too much.
Why?
If I don't. Hey, get it.
Hypnotize with the carrot.
I don't have any.
Come, you just kill that pig. Then.
Get it, piggy. Pig, get it.
Show me what happened.
The pig. Maybe one.
Hey, one is getting out.
Howie.
Go. Hey, pig. Hey, go.
They also give
Done.
us.
It went. Stay back, pigs. Hey, go back. This pig wants to get out. Stay back, piggies. Stay back. Okay, piggies. Now come follow me. What are you doing?
I want to give TNTs.
Come follow me then. Here, have half of the TNT. I'm having half. Done. I had half.
Yeah.
Here. Just take the whole. I have 34.
And
Flint and steel.
shall we play at TNT war?
Okay. Why do you need carrots?
I don't know any carrots. Because if I don't
Come here. Show me. Yeah, you are holding a carrot.
No, I
Yes, you are.
am. I had 47.
What?
I
7. I'll take some sticks to hit you with.
I fed one pig too much
Why?
because I wanted.
Not too much.
Are you thinking of playing on TNT war?
Yeah.
TNT war. But first, let's check blowing the tree out.
Yeah.
Blow.
I'll blow this tree out. You have to say goodbye to the tree. Goodbye, tree. Goodbye, trees. Bye. Run! Oh! No. Horrible. I got one. But it just blasted the whole tree. See what we did in front of our.
Yep, we made a big mistake.
Yeah. Maybe too much TNT wasn't good.
Yep, I use all of them.
You used all of them. Here, I have half of mine. You can have 17. Because I have 27.
Yeah.
Here, you can have some. Here, take. Here, grab them. I'll give to you. Here,
Hey,
take.
who gave me a red block?
Here, you can have these many. How many?
8.
Done. Come, follow me.
17.
Nice. I also have
7
17.
TNTs and 10 TNTs. 7 plus 10 equals to 17.
Yeah.
And then
Bye.
run.
That was some greetings for me.
How many blue things you got?
Shall I get you very fast? I am the fast man.
Hey, please invite it.
What?
Please.
You have to run from me.
Why?
But you will not run. Okay.
Oh.
Hello.
Hola.
I'm the fast man.
No, you ain't.
Yes, you are. I can catch up with you. You might wanna look back.
Oh, sorry, Mr. Tree.
Here, watch this, watch this, watch this, watch this.
That's just TNT, I know.
Yeah, you watch this.
I don't know that.
Whoa, was the blast nice?
Yes. And I dare you to do this one.
No, I will not do.
Oh.
Come on, I can't reach you. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Just like that.
No, I know you jump. Not. Alright. Bye.
Bye. I'll just stay here. Do nothing.
Hello.
Hola.
Hola. Get out that.
Yeah. Hola.
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 Do you have anything?
No. But sorry.
Owie. Oh no, my power, my power, my power, my power. Follow me. I will hypnotize this chicken. Follow these chickens will follow me from now on. Follow me, chicken. Nice. Now keep following me. Come on, chicken, follow me. Nice. Now you keep following me. Oh, the other three chickens there. Hello. Shall I ignite the TNT? Shall I ignite that?
Yeah. The sun is setting.
Yes.
And the moon is behind.
Where? Show? Where is the moon?
Behind.
The moon. Where is the moon?
Before that, Kiki sun to set.
Kiki sun. Oh, fine. We'll just stand here and watch the sunset.
Where are you looking?
Here at you.
Look at the sun.
Okay. The
It's
sun.
going down pretty quickly.
Yeah. And look at the sheep.
What?
It was looking at you.
Why?
I don't know why. Maybe some sort of reason. Did you hold wheat?
No. Behind you.
Oh, wow. Ooh, the moon.
Yes, the sun.
It's the half moon. It's a half moon.
Yeah.
Hey,
No, ignite it.
what?
The TNT.
I know. I'm a teacher. Bye guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.